ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय कान्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद मधु ब्राह्मण कंक्लूशन पेज नंबर 647। सर्वात्म भावे विदुषः सप्रपंचत्वं स्यात् इति आशंक्याः। So the drishtanta is given just as in the Nabhi all the araha samarpitaha, like that in this Brahmagyani सर्वाणि भूतानि सर्वे देवाः सर्वे लोकाः सर्वे प्राणाः सर्वे आत्मानः। आत्मानः means we should understand जीवात्मानः प्रतिबिंब अविद्या कल्पिताः। सर्वात्म भाव is something that we can always dwell on. What is Vedanta seeing when Vedanta says you are Brahma? This I should understand. This is the explanation for that. When Vedanta says you are Brahma, or when I say Aham Brahmasmi, Aham, somebody does this chintanam, let us say, means that person should understand I am all Jiva Swarupa. Means I am the essence of all Jivas. I am the essence of all Devatas. I am the essence of all Lokas. I am the essence of all Indriyas. Pranaha here means Vagadi Indriya. I am all of this. Each Jiva, whether it is Brahmadi Stambha Pariyanta, that is what is given here, all of them are me only. Their Sthula Sharira, Sukshma Sharira, Karana Sharira, and their Swarupa, everything is me. This Chintanam is Sarvatma Bhava. This we have to, those who are incapable of this, for them other sadhanas are given. You do japa, you do puja, you do this, that. Mukhya vichara is this. When I have this, then tatra ko mohaha kaha. Why? Because this is ekatvam. Sarvatmatvam means ekatvam. Ekatvam anupashyata. Anupashyata. Anu means two meanings are there for anu. One meaning of anu is Shastra Shravana Paschat. Gurutah Shravana Paschat Anupashyata. And second, anu means nitya. Not that for 15 minutes I see my oneness with all, and after 15 minutes I am ready to fight with everyone. That is not anupashyata. That is yada kada pashyata only. That is not what we want. So now somebody says, Sarvatma bhave vidushaha saprapanchatvam syat. If Sarvatma bhava is there, Jnani will be along with prapancha. Iti ashankyaha. So in this, what should happen? And the expression was given Vamadeva. He understood I am Manu also. In other words, let's say somebody thinks, oh, what is written in Manu Smriti, I am not agreeing with it. I don't agree with what is written by Manu Maharaj. But if I have to claim I am Brahma, I have to be one with him also. There is no this buddhi that I am not here. Shatru is also me. Mitra is also me. Aham manuhu abhavam suryascha iti. So then vidushaha saprapanchatvam. He will have Dvaita Bhava. Dvaita also is there and he claims I am Advaita. Iti ashankyaha. Sa esha sarvatma bhavo vyakhyatah. This is the sarvatma bhava. सर्वात्म भाव व्याख्याता स एष विद्वान ब्रह्मविद सर्वोपाधि सर्वात्मा सर्वो भवति. See, I said स्थूल सूक्ष्म कारण शरीर is also me, स्वरूप is also me. That is put here in different words. I am सर्व उपाधि. सर्वोपाधि सर्वा
उपाधिर
उपाधयो and he is सर्वात्मा. सर्वात्मा you can just say सर्वस्य आत्मा. सर्वो भवति. He is all. So with Chaitanya there is Mukhya Aikya, Mukhya Samanadhikaranya, and with Upadhi and all Bada Samanadhikaranya. Chaitanya cannot become Upadhi because it is Nirvikara. But you should understand, without undergoing modification, what is that shloka? Between Vivarta and Parinama, Satatvato Anyatha Bhavaha Parinama Udiritaha. Atatvato Anyatha Bhavo Vivarta Samudita. Tadevam no tika सर्वेण कल्पितेन द्वैतेन सहितम अधिष्ठान भूतम ब्रह्म प्रत्यक भावेन पश्यन् विद्वान सर्वोपाधिस तत्तद रूपेण स्थितः सर्वो भवति. सर्वेण कल्पितेन द्वैतेन सहितम अधिष्ठान भूतम ब्रह्म. सो कल्पितेन द्वैतेन सहितम अधिष्ठान भूतम ब्रह्म प्रत्यक भावेन पश्यन्. That adhisthana bhuta brahma is me, pratyak bhavena pashyan. And what is that adhishthanam of? Dvaitena, sarvena kalpitena dvaitena sahitam. All the dvaitam which is kalpita by others. Or whatever you say, all kalpita dvaita, it's adhisthana bhutam brahma pratyak bhavena pashyan vidwan sarvopadhis. He is the sarvopadhi. Tad rupena sthitaha sarvo bhavati. He is Manu, he is Surya. In other words, this is Vibhuti Yoga of Bhagavad Gita, Dashama Adhyaya, where Bhagavan says, Aham Atma Gudakesha Sarva Bhuta Shayasthitaha. Aham Adishya Madhyancha Bhutanam Antayevacha. There Aham, Vidwan will say, this is me. This you can make it as Nididhyasanam. In Upadesha Sahasri, I think in Tadananyatvam, not Tadananyatvam. What is 15th chapter? Nanyadanyat. Nanyadanyat Prakaranam. Nanyad Anyad means what? Pay attention. In those who have studied 15th chapter, they will know. The whole chapter is on this concept. Brahma is all. And I am one with Brahma. Brahma is all. Brahma, so let's say this is Brahma. Brahma is all. I am one with Brahma. So, na anyat anyat. This is na anya, and this is also na anya. For Brahma, everything is not anya. For me, Brahma is not anya. Therefore, for me, everything is nanyad anyat. It is not different from me. Nanyad anyat means it is me only. In this way, we have to think. This in Sarva Vedanta part, I was explaining, Paroksha Jnanam does not become Aparoksha by itself. This is where we'll have to work. I will have to think in this direction. Then only Paroksha Jnanam will become Aparoksha, or Aparoksha will become Dridha Aparoksha. Yes, you may take sannyasa. Yes, you may continuously do Shravanam. But I am not pushing my buddhi in that direction. I am so comfortable because many times, if you do Shravanam for 7-8 years, then another 20 years also same Shravanam will go on. But in buddhi, this Vishesha Vichara should happen. That is actually the real turning point for Aparoksha to Dridha Aparoksha. So this is what is given here. Adhisthana bhutam brahma pratyak bhavena pashya vidwan sarvopadhi tattad rupena sthitah sarvo bhavati. Tadevam kalpitam saprapanchatvam avidvad drishtya vidusho abhishtam ityartha. This tadevam kalpitam saprapanchatvam, this saprapanchatvam is kalpita. Avidvad drishtya vidusho abhishtam. For avidwan who is doing saprapanchatva kalpana, for a jnani, it is abhishtam. Abhishtam means he understands I am all these. He doesn't have bheda with that dvaita. Why? Vidvad drishtya tasya nishprapanchatvam darshayati. Because what is saprapancha from avidvad drishti is nishprapancham from vidvad drishti. Nirupadihi, nirupakyo, anantaro, abahyo, kritsnaha, prajnanagano, ajo, ajaro, amruto, abhayo, achalo, neti neti, asthula, ananu, priti, evam visheshano bhavati. Without giving any quotation, Bhagavan Bhashyakar referred to Upanishad mantras. This is the skill. You don't have to refer to and quote mantras. Without that also, you can refer to those words and communicate Shrauta Siddhanta. So, Nirupadihi, Nirupakyaha. Paramatma is Nirupakyaha. Nirupakya Vigraha, how it will happen?
Upakyaha na vidyate iti nirupakyaha.
No, if it is only Anupakya, then you can give that Vigraha. Here, Nirgata, Upakya, Yasmat, Saha Nirupakya. Nirgata, Upakya, Yasmat. Upakya means Vachyartha. There where there is no Vachyartha is called Nirupakya. अनंतरो अबाह्यः। अनंतरो अबाह्य, earlier it was explained as कार्य कारण रहित, right? कृत्स्नः प्रज्ञान घनः। कृत्स्नः means it is complete. Prajnana ghana, other than prajnanam there is nothing. So in my buddhi, the purva samskaras will go on bringing other things. I will have to actually put forth effort to deny those things. That, no, it is prajnana ghana. No, it is prajnana ghana. It is like, see, for drishtanta, let us say you see somebody having very beautiful something, some object, and in your buddhi, let's say a thought comes, I should have this. Will you steal that? No. Because you know it is Nishiddha karma, it is not right. How I put forth effort to deny any Nishiddha thought to come in my buddhi. Vedanta says giving reality to Dvaitam is accepting this Nishiddha vritti. You have to sincerely put forth effort to deny that. No, this doesn't have satta. Like how we tell ourselves, no, I will not do that. Like that, I will have to put forth effort. No, I will not give reality. I go on doing the same thing what I have been doing, then nothing will happen. So this is where self-effort is needed. Earlier, the self-effort was physical. Physical sadhana is for adhamadhikari. Bauddhika sadhana, where I deny reality of Dvaitam. This sadhana is for Uttamadhikari. That is what is addressed here. Nirupakhyatvam, शब्द प्रत्यय गोचरत्वम. निरुपाख्यत्वम मीन्स शब्द प्रत्यय अगोचरत्वम. सो कृष्णः प्रज्ञानघन. अजः बर्थलेस. अजरः जरा रहितः. अमृतो मरण रहित. अभय भय रहित. अचलः चलन रहित. नेति नेति अस्थूलम अनणु. Instead of saying asthulam ananu, asthulo ananu. Pullinga for Atma or for Vidwan. टीका ब्रह्मणः शब्द प्रत्यागोचरत्वं सप्रपंचत्वं अविद्याकृतं निष्प्रपंचत्वं तात्विकम् इति आगमार्थ अविरोध उक्तः. So सप्रपंचत्वं is avidyakratam. Purva Pakshi's akshepa was he will have saprapanchatvam. He says saprapanchatvam is avidyakratam. Nishprapanchatvam is tatvika. So with agama there is no virodha, avirodha. टीका कथं तर्हि तार्किका मीमांसकाश्च शास्त्रार्थम अनुस्वार. शास्त्रार्थम विरुद्धं पश्यन्तो ब्रह्मा अस्ति नास्ति इत्यादि विकल्पयन्तो मोमुह्यन्ते तत्राह. कथं तर्हि तार्किकाः मीमांसकाश्च. Then how these tarkikas and mimamsakas, they see shastrartha viruddham. Viruddham means Vedanta viruddha or paraspara virodham. Because parasparam viruddhyante. Vedanta says we don't have virodha, you go on saying. But if they say virodha from Vedanta, means we don't see, but they might see viruddham pashyanta. Brahma asti nasti ityadi Vikalpayantah, they do vikalpa in this way. Momuhyante. Momuhyante, what is the rupa here? मोह वैचित्ये धातु यंगंत रूप मोमुह्यन्ते तत्र आह तमेतम अर्थम अजानन्तः तार्किकाः केचित् पंडितम मन्याः पंडितम मन्याः और इज सूत्र पंडितम मन्याः आत्ममाने खश्च अनभ्यासे विषम विद्या if the abhyasa is not there of these sutras we forget everything केचित् पंडितम मन्याश्च आगम विदः. So now these Tarkikas, who they think that we know everything, we are Pandita. We have our books. Arkasangra is there, Tika, 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 Tika. How many Tikas are there? This is there, that is there. Everything is there. Panditam Manyascha. Agama Vidaha. We know Shastras also. Shastrardham Viruddham Manyamanaha Vikalpayantaha. Moham Agadham Upayanti. Agadham Moham means so much confusion that there is no bottom of that confusion. One getting confused. Agadham Moham. And their kalpana is Shastra Virodhi. Sometimes, so somebody will ask, okay, you tell what is the problem. What is the problem with other darshanas? So actually, Advaita Vedanta will say, I don't know where to start. That many problems are there. Where to start? Everything is problem. For a person who is a Shrauta Vedanti, where do you want me to start? What is the problem? It is not that there is some little problem, rest is all okay. Everything has problem. And then on top of that, they think we are right also. This is the other problem. One Atma, many Atma. Vikari Atma, Karta Bhokta Atma. Atma has Sukha, Dukha, this, that. Where do you want me to start? This is Agadham Moham Upayanti. Tika. Vadi Vyamohasya. This is that shloka in Dakshinamurti Stotram, 5th shloka. Stribalanda Jadopamastu Ahamiti Bhranta Brisham Vadina. Why? Maya Shakti Vilasa Kalpita Mahavyo Vyamoha Samaya. See that? Vadi Vyamohasya Jnanam Moolam Uktva. Prakrute Brahmano Dvairupya Pramanam Aha. Brahmano Dvairupyam. What is that? See now. Tam etam artham etau mantrau anuvadata. Bhagavan Bhashyakar says why they get confused because they don't do proper analysis of these mantras. Anejadekam manaso javiyas tadejati tannayati iti. How many mantras are there in this?
Two.
Two, huh? It is not one mantra. Now you see here, Bhagavan Bhashyakar, you think he didn't know what is after Javiya? He knew, right? Why he didn't quote the whole mantra? Only what is relevant you have to quote. Not that, because I know full mantra. So whether you want it or not, I will tell you everything. That is also not needed. Javiyas. How is this Shabda formed? Yasun pratyay on what? In Javavat, Yasun Pratyaya will come, then Vator look. Vata will become Lopa. Manaso Javi, yes. So what this mantra is saying? Atma is Ekam and is faster than mind also. Manaso Javi. Tade Jati, Tannai Jati. Now, it seems that there is Virodha. Because Tad Ejati also, Na Ejati also. What is the dhatu here? Ejr Kampane. Tadejati Tannajati iti. In their Bhashya, Bhagavan Bhashyakar says, for Ajnani Ejati. For Jnani Na Ejati. There is no Kampana in Brahma. Ika तैत्तिरीय श्रुतावादि शब्देन अहमन्नमन्न मदन्तमद्मि इत्यादि गृह्यते. तैत्तिरीय श्रुति is given there. तथा च तैत्तिरीय के यस्मात् परम ना परम अस्ति किंचित. यस्मात् परम ना परम अस्ति किंचित. This is there in Taittiriya Upanishad?
No, Swamiji.
This is not Taittiriya. This is Shvetashvatara. Or this might be in Mahanarayana also. That's why Bhashyakara has given Taittiriya, because in Taittiriya, Mahanarayana Upanishad is also there. Taittiriya Aranyaka. Then Etat Samagayan Naste. This you all know. Those who don't know, they should memorize this part. Etat Samagayan Naste. Because what will happen if suddenly you realize Brahmakar Vritti comes and you should know what to chant at that time. So if you have handy, then you can chant this. Otherwise, you will start looking in your phone some mantra. Ahamannam annam aha. Ahamannam nay. Ahamannam ahamannam ahamannam. That is given up. And in the Tika it is given Ahamannamannamadantamadmi ityadi grihyate. What is the problem here? Why he is quoting these two? Aham annam and admi also. Means I am atta also and annam also. तथा च छांदोग्ये जक्षत क्रीडन रममाणः स यदि पितृलोक कामः सर्वगंधः सर्वरसः सर्वज्ञः सर्वविद. जक्षत, जक्षत शब्द जक्ष धातु जक्ष भक्ष हसनयोः शत्रु प्रत्यय. सूत्र लटः शत्रुशानचा व प्रथमा समानाधिकरणे. लटः शत्रुशानचा व प्रथमा समानाधिकरणे. जक्षत. So I told you one. Now next two you have to tell. What is Kridan? Shatru Pratyaya. Shatru Pratyaya will become Kridan or Kridat?
Kridan.
Kridat, not Kridan. The Chandas Prayoga. Ramamana is Shanacha Prayoga. Jakshat Kridan Ramamana. That is different Prayoga. This is Kridat actually, like how Jakshat is there. Jakshat Kridat. So yadi Pitruloka Kamaha means if he has Pitruloka Kamana, he'll go to Pitruloka. He has Devaloka Kamana, he'll go to Devaloka, like that. And he is Sarva Gandharupa. Means this can be our Chintana. What is my Swarupa? I am Sarva Gandha, I am Sarva Rasa, I am Sarvagya, I am Sarvavit. So if some rasa is not available to me, I should not have any complaint about it, because I am Sarva Rasa. I am Sarva Gandha. I am Sarva Rupa. This is the biggest thing in sadhana. That anything of vyavahara should not affect my paramarthik understanding of myself. I should not become vichalit due to vyavahara. And more of that happens, then nishtha will not be there, because any ordinary passing by problem can deviate me. टीका छांदोग्य श्रुतावादि शब्देन सत्यकामः सत्यसंकल्पो विजरो विमृत्युः इत्यादि गृहीतम्. So here also Satyakama Satyasankalpa is indicating Saprapancha or Saguna Brahma. Vijaro Vimrutyuhu Nirguna. So Krishna Yajurveda, Samaveda, Shukla Yajurveda, all the Drashtantas are given. Now Atharvana Veda. Atharvani cha Durat Sudure Tadihantike cha. This is from Mundaka. Brihachatad Divyam Achintya Rupam.
सूक्ष्मतरं
Vibhati. Durat Sudure Tadihantike cha. Pashyat-svihaivam nihitam guhayam. That is all of this. Shruti Siddhe टीका श्रुति सिद्धे द्वैरूप्ये स्मृतिम okay, before that smritim api samvadayati. Before that we have to see some shruti. Pathavallishu api anoraniyan
महतो
atomadiyan
आत्मास्य जंतो निहितो गुहायां तमक्रतु पश्यति वीतशोको धातु प्रसादान् महिमानमात्मन.
Dhatu prasadan mahimanam atmana. What is the meaning of dhatu there?
Brahman.
Indriya.
There are two meanings. Dhatu means Vidhatu, Paramatma, Ishvara. Dhatu Prasada, by Ishvara Prasada also. And Indriya and Mana, Shamadama who has, then by the grace of that, you will get it. Should have good control over mind and senses. And you can also say, by the grace of Bhagavan. Bhagavan will grace if you have control over mind and senses. Kastam madam devam. See, what is Virodha Ishwan? Anoraniyan Mahito Mahiyan, Virodha was there. Mad amadam. Madam amadam. Madamadam. So, we have mada. Mada means intoxication like feeling. And amadam, we don't have any. No ahankara. Tad dhavato anyan atyati tishtat. It runs. Atma and surpasses all. Iti cha. तथा गीतासु, गीतासु the one line is extra, too many lines are there. गीतासु अहम क्रतुरहम यज्ञः, then
मन्त्रोऽहमहमेवाजम् अहमग्निरहं हुतः
अहम भूतम not भूतम, अहम क्रतुरहम यज्ञः स्वदाहमहम औषधम मंत्रोऽहममे वाज्यम अहम अग्निरहम भूतम पिताहमस्य जगतः
माता दाता
पितामहः पवित्रमोङ्कार ऋक्साम यजुरेव च।
नादत्ये on ka if there is anuswara remove नादत्य कस्यचित् पापम
न चैव सुकृतं विभुः
नादत्य कस्यचित् पापम न चैव सुकृतं विभुः अज्ञानेन आवृतं ज्ञानं समं सर्वेषु भूतेषु
तिष्ठन्तं परमेश्वरम्।
विनश्यत्स्व विनश्यन्तं यः पश्यति स पश्यति अविभक्तं विभक्तेषु विभक्तमिव च स्थितं भूतभर्तृ च तज्ज्ञेयं ग्रसिष्णु प्रभविष्णु च इति इति एवम् आद्य आगमार्थं विरुद्धमिव प्रतिभान्तं मन्यमानाः स्वचित्त सामर्थ्याद् अर्थ निर्णयाय विकल्पयन्तो अस्ति आत्मा नास्ति आत्मा कर्ता अकर्ता मुक्तो बद्धः क्षणिको विज्ञान मात्रं शून्यं च इति एवं विकल्पयन्तो न पारमाधिगच्छन्ति अविद्यायाः विरुद्ध धर्मदर्शित्वात् सर्वत्र। these तार्किकाः अविद्यायाः पारं न अधिगच्छन्ति, they are not able to cross avidya. Means we don't have to blame only them, because for them the tattva nirnaya had problem. For others, their vasanas, their raga dveshas are problems. The result is same. Avidyayaha param na adhigachanti. Whether the darshana has some error or person has error because of vasana, raga, dvesha, whatever. So each one has to work on where they have problem. Agama artham viruddham iva pratibhantam manyamana. Agama artha they think there is virodha in this. Therefore, what shall we do? Swachitta samarthyad artha nirnayaya vikalpayanta. So this is confusing, they will say. All these Gita shlokas, Bhagavan says, I am Kratu also, I am Yajna also. How this is possible? And I am Pita also and Mata also. Where do you get Vyapti for this? They will ask this question. Show me one Anumana and Drashtanta where somebody is Pita also, Mata also and Dhata also. This is, you leave all this. Then we Swachitta Samarthyad Artha Nirnaya. We will do on our own. Then Vikalpana will be there. Then Atma Asti Nasti, Karta Akarta, Baddha Mukta. All different people will have different thoughts. Somebody within Bauddhas, somebody will say Kshanika. Somebody will say Vijnana Matram, Kshanika Vijnana Matram. Somebody will say Shunyam. Madhyamika Mata, what do they say? And Yogachara? Madhyamika. What is the shloka of Bauddha Darshanas? We saw in Vasa Vanumito Pratyaksham Kshana Bhanguram Chasakalam Vaibhashiko Bhasate. Bhashate. So the four Bauddha darshan we saw recently in, where did we see?
सिद्धांत बिंदु.
सिद्धांत बिंदु. कर्ता अकर्ता मुक्तो बद्ध क्षणिको विज्ञान मात्रम शून्यम च इति एवं विकल्पयन्तो न पारम अधिगच्छन्ति अविद्यायाः. वाय विरुद्ध धर्म दर्शित्वात् सर्वत्र. सीन टीका. पूर्वोक्त प्रकारेण आगमार्थ विरोध समाधाने विद्यमाने अपि तद अज्ञानात् वादी विभ्रांति इति उपसंहरति. So Vadi will have Vibhranti because Agamartha Virodha, they are not able to. Even though Vedanti is able to do that, Purvokta Prakarena Agamartha Virodha Samadhane Vidyamane. Samadhanam is there, we have done it. But they don't know. Tad Ajnanat Vadi Vibhranti iti Upasamharati Evam Adi Ityadi. Vikalpameva sputayati. Asti nasti, these vikalpas are there. Sarvatra means Shruti Smriti Shu Atmani iti yavat. Atmani again Vishaya Saptami. Atma Vishayaka. Atma Vishayaka confusions they have. Ke tarhi Parama Vidyayaha Samadhi Gachanti. Then who will cross these if they all are not able to do it? तस्मात् तत्र य एव श्रुत्याचार दर्शित मार्गानुसारिणस् त एव अविद्यायाः पारम अधिगच्छन्ति. Those who go by Shruti Acharya Darshita Marga, and they will follow all this, they will be able to cross avidya. Param avidyayaः samadhigachanti. Brahma jnana phalam aha te eva ta eva cha asman moha samudrat agadhat उत्तरिष्यन्ति न इतरे स्वबुद्धि कौशलानुसारेण. Only those who have Shruti Acharya Darshita Marga, they will cross this Agada Samudra. न इतरे स्वबुद्धि कौशलानुसारेण न पारम अधिगच्छन्ति. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये